Hi friends, I am making Thai cabbage soup today. I have taken a deep utensil and I am heating 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter. Then I am adding 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, half chopped onion and half chopped potato, and I am stirring them nicely till they are half cooked. Then I am adding purple cabbage and I am stirring it nicely again. I am adding Everest black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon, and 2 teaspoons of salt here, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of basil, mixing it again. Then I am adding Maggie's coconut powder, coconut milk made out of coconut powder. It's very good. It's instant and quick. I am adding more water, stirring it nicely. Adding almost 1 to 2 teaspoons of beetroot juice. I have ground the soup and this is the color. And if you taste it, it's very good. Turn off the heat.